Understanding cake roll, a delicious English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fun and tasty phrase in the English language, cake roll. Whether you're a food lover or simply keen on expanding your English vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's dive into the world of cakes and phrases. A cake roll, also known as a roll cake or Swiss roll, is a type of sponge cake rolled up with a filling inside. It's often filled with cream, jam, or icing. Visually, it's like a log with a spiral pattern of filling. But beyond this delicious description, there's more to the phrase cake roll when used in English conversations. Interestingly, cake roll isn't just about food. In everyday English, this phrase can be used metaphorically. For example, when someone accomplishes something easily and smoothly, like rolling up a cake, they might say, "This project was a cake roll." It implies that the task was as simple as making a cake roll, which is known for its straightforward process. In different English-speaking cultures, food-related phrases like cake roll are quite popular. They bring a playful and relatable aspect to the language. Using such phrases in conversation can make your English sound more natural and fluent. It's a fun way to express ideas while sharing a bit of culinary culture. Let's practice using cake roll in sentences. 1. Describing a task. Organizing the event was a cake roll because everything was well planned. 2. In a conversation, I thought fixing my car would be tough, but it was actually a cake roll. 3. Describing a skill. For Julia, solving complex math problems is a cake roll. We hope you enjoyed learning about the phrase cake roll and its use in the English language. Remember, language learning can be as fun and delightful as enjoying a delicious cake roll. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in our next video.